Welcome back, guys, and tonight we got a review of a shower head for you. For those of you that have watched my videos in the past, you would know that for some reason I have a thing for shower heads. I've reviewed the Bright Showers handheld shower head. I've also reviewed the Esnbia, a very good shower head, and I still use both those actually. The Esnbia isn't cheap, but the Bright Showers was like $31. Well, tonight I decided to change it up. We're looking at a rain shower head. That's right, something I've never had before. I've never really wanted to try it, but I saw it on Amazon. It's the Esnbia 2.5 gallon per minute shower head. Comes in a 6, 8, 10, and 12 inch head. $20 for a 12 inch Rainfall shower head. It does come in brushed nickel, brushed gold, and also matte black, of course, which is what I got. This video, basically, we're going to be unboxing it. So I guess with that said, without further ado, let's go check it out. Alright guys, so let's go get this unboxed and see what it looks like. Alright, so it does come in one of those kind of cloth matte cases, kind of that textured stuff. Oh, this thing's big. I'll be honest, I was measuring this and I was measuring for the 10 inch head, so I totally forgot and measured the wrong side, but I know it's gonna fit though. Here's what it looks like. I'll put some pictures up, of course. So this is supposed to be an all metal construction, and the back does feel like metal. The front, I think it's plastic. It does have the, I think this is rubber, the rubber little nipples on it to clean it. And of course it has your standard hookup, which is plastic also. It does pivot, which is good to see. One thing that I do see a lot with these is, give me a second, is these things kind of clogging up and spraying in random directions. What I'm going to recommend, because I see this a lot, is maybe get like a mesh, just some sort of mesh screen, because I don't think this is going to be enough, and put it in there, which I know it kind of kills your flow rate, but during the review we're going to go into what this is like to your energy bill, because I've done a little bit of research. So I guess with that said, kind of share it to you guys. It's got a fair amount of weight to it. Honestly, I think it's going to be pretty nice. There's no visible seam on it. Let's go get it mounted up and check it out. All right, so got yeah, it looks just obnoxious in person. Got it installed. When I took that cap out, I went to go ahead and take the restrictors out. Everything fell out, including the wire screen protector in there. I left the flow restrictor out. Again, for the review, I'm going to give you all the specs on it that I've tested, and also what I'm going to do for the actual review is I'm going to do 2 showers a day for 2 weeks. For you guys, it'll be next week you'll get this video because I shoot ahead of time. So I guess with that said, that has been my unboxing of the Esnbia Rainfall shower head. Got any questions for me, put in the comments. If you want to review or try, put in the comments. With that said, thank you guys very much for watching. You have a good night.